Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now today's lecture number 41 and the chapter number 6, that is enzymes and the characteristics of the enzyme. Firstly, why we use enzymes, what is the importance of enzyme? So basically there is a metabolic reactions that take place in our body. Basically these are the biochemical reactions. So to accelerate or catalyze the biochemical reactions, we use enzyme as a catalyst to speed up the reaction. So firstly, metabolism is divided into two categories, anabolism and catabolism. What is anabolism? The biochemical reaction in which larger molecules are synthesized, and when we synthesize the molecules, energy is utilized. And in catabolism, the biochemical reaction in which larger molecules are broken down and energy will released. कि जिसमें एनाबोलिज्म क्या है, जिसमें हम लार्ज मालिक्यूल को सिंथेसाइज करें, मीन्स कि सिंथेसिस ऑफ लार्ज मालिक्यूल बाय कंबाइनिंग स्मॉल मालिक्यूल. फॉर एग्जांपल, production of protein. How protein will synthesize? When amino acids combine together, a large complex protein is formed. That is the example of anabolism. While in catabolism, a protein will split into small molecules, that is amino acids, and it also release the energy. This is the diagram. You can see smaller molecules combine together and large molecule is synthesized, that is anabolic reaction, and energy is utilized. While in catabolic reaction, large molecules split into smaller molecules and energy is released. Next is the biocatalyst. Now enzymes act as a biocatalyst because it used to speed up the metabolic reactions. And during metabolism, chemicals are transformed from one form to the other by enzymes, and they act as a biocatalyst because they speed up and regulate the metabolic pathways. So next is the definition of enzyme. That what is enzyme? Enzymes are proteins that catalyze biochemical reactions and are not changed during the reaction. एंजाइम्स क्या है, उनकी नेचर क्या है कि ये प्रोटीन से मिलके बने हैं, प्रोटीन से मिलके बने हैं, और इनका काम क्या है कि जितने भी बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर हो रहे हैं उनको स्पीड अप करते हैं, और स्पीड अप करने के साथ साथ जब रिएक्शन है उसमें वो खुद चेंज, उनकी अपनी जो स्ट्रक्चर या जो फंक्शन है उसमें चेंज नहीं आता. सो दिस इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एंजाइम. नाउ there are in reaction there are two things. First is the reactant and the second one is product. So reactant is also known as substrate. So substrate is a molecule at which enzyme will act, and then it converts this substrate into different molecule, that is known as product. As this is the enzyme, that is light blue in color, and the dark blue is substrate. Now substrate is the molecule at which enzyme will act. So how it will act? Substrate bind with the active site of enzyme. As it binds, it forms enzyme substrate complex, and then enzyme act on this substrate, is on this molecule, that is known as substrate, and convert it into different molecules that are known as product. As you can see, the product is orange and green. Next is the activation energy. Now activation energy is the minimum energy that is always required to start a reaction, but by using the enzymes we can लोड द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. कि जितने रिएक्शन को स्टार्ट करने के लिए हमें जो मिनिमम एनर्जी चाहिए उसको हम कहते हैं एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर हम यूज़ करते हैं अपने एंजाइम्स को, तो वो जो एंजाइम्स हैं वो हमारी एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी की जो ज़रूरत है, ठीक है, जो हमें मिनिमम एनर्जी चाहिए वो हमें कम से कम रिक्वायर होगी. सो in the presence of enzymes, reaction proceed at the faster rate, and we use the enzymes to proceed the reaction at faster rate. As you can see in diagram, you have to provide some minimum energy to this ball to flow down, right? So this minimum energy is known as activation energy. Next is that how enzymes lower the activation energy. It lowers the activation energy in three ways. Firstly, they may alter the shape of substrate and reduce the requirement of energy for this change. कि जो हमारे पास substrate की shape है हम उसको change करके जो है activation energy हमें कम require होगी. Second is to in some enzymes do so by disrupting the charge distribution on substrate. And number 3 is enzymes may also lower activation energy by bringing substrates in correct orientation to react. कि जब सबस्ट्रेट और एंजाइम जिन्होंने रिएक्ट करना है, अगर वो उन दोनों की पोजीशन बिल्कुल सेम होगी, करेक्ट ओरिएंटेशन में होंगे, तो जो हमारे पास एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी है वो कम से कम रिक्वायर होगी. सो दीज थ्री वेज थ्रू विच एंजाइम्स लोड द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट इज द कैटेगरीज ऑफ एनर्जीज, कैटेगरीज ऑफ एंजाइम्स. There are two categories of enzymes on the basis of the site where they work. First is intracellular and the second is extracellular. Intracellular enzymes are those that work inside the cell, means the enzymes of glycolysis working in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is the portion that is present inside the cell. So intracellular enzymes work inside of the cell, and extracellular are those that works out of the cell, that is pepsin enzyme working in the stomach cavity. Next is the characteristics of enzyme. Now in 1878, a German physiologist Wilhelm Koch first used the term enzymes. And what are enzymes? Enzymes are the globular proteins, and they are made up of long linear chains of amino acids that fold to produce a three-dimensional molecule. Basically, enzymes are made up of proteins, and proteins are made up of amino acids. First characteristic is that almost all enzymes are protein. They are made up of amino acids. And number two is most enzyme reaction rates are millions of times faster than those of comparable uncatalyzed reaction. As with all catalyst, enzymes are not consumed by the reaction they catalyzed. कि ऐसा रिएक्शन जिसमें हम एंजाइम को यूज़ करें उसकी स्पीड मिलियन टाइम्स फास्टर होगी एज़ कम्पेयर टू दोज रिएक्शन जिसमें हम कैटलिस्ट को मीन्स के एंजाइम्स को यूज़ नहीं करें. ठीक है. सो एंजाइम इज़ बेसिकली यूज टू catalyze the reaction, means to speed up the reaction. Number 3 is enzymes are usually very specific for the type of reaction and for the nature of their substrate. कि हर रिएक्शन के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन के लिए हमारे पास स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम्स रिक्वायर होती हैं, और ये जो एंजाइम्स है ये सबस्ट्रेट की नेचर पे भी डिपेंड करते हैं कि सबस्ट्रेट की नेचर कैसी है. ठीक है, वो किस चीज़ से मिलके बना है. Next is only a small portion of enzymes molecule is directly involved in catalysis. So this catalytic region is known as active site. Previous diagram में जो light blue और dark blue जो diagram थी उसमें हमने देखा था वहाँ पे active site. Active site क्या है? ये वो portion है जहाँ पे enzyme जो है वो directly सबस्ट्रेट के साथ बाइंड करता है और वहाँ पे कैटालिसिस रिएक्शन स्टार्ट होता है. सो डेट इज़ नॉन एज एक्टिव साइट एंड इट रिकॉग्नाइजेस एंड बाइंड सबस्ट्रेट एंड देन कैरीज आउट द रिएक्शन. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एक्टिव साइट. Next is enzyme production can be enhanced or diminished by a cell according to needs, and enzyme activity can also be regulated by inhibitors or activators. कि enzyme की production हम increase भी करवा सकते हैं और उसको कम भी करवा सकते हैं. ये depend करता है कि जो cell की need है. ठीक है, तो इसकी enhancement और diminished कैसे होती है? By the use of inhibitors and activators. As you can see the enzyme that is yellow in color and substrate in green in color, and you can see the active site. So active site is the portion where enzyme substrate complex forms, where substrate binds with the enzyme. Next is that some enzymes do not need any additional component to work, however others require non-protein molecule or ions called cofactors. अब कुछ एंजाइम जो हैं वो ऐसे ही एज इट इज़, जैसे कि प्रीवियस डायग्राम में हमने देखा कि सबस्ट्रेट और एंजाइम बाइंड कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे कोई एडिशनल कंपोनेंट हमें नहीं रिक्वायर. लेकिन क्या है कि कुछ एंजाइम्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको नॉन प्रोटीन मालिक्यूल चाहिए होता है. ठीक है, उसको हम कहते हैं डेट इज़ नॉन एज कोफैक्टर. And now cofactor can be organic and inorganic. If the organic cofactor is tightly bound to enzyme, that is known as prosthetic group. अगर कोफैक्टर ऑर्गेनिक कोफैक्टर है और वो बहुत टाइटली बाइंड किया हुआ है एंजाइम के साथ, उसको कहते हैं प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप. एज यू कैन सी इन डायग्राम, दिस इज द एंजाइम एंड दिस एडिशनल कंपोनेंट to bind the substrate with the enzyme is known as prosthetic group because it will be tightly bind to the enzyme. And if the organic cofactor is loosely attached with the enzyme, then it is known as coenzyme. And now what is the function of coenzyme? Coenzyme transport chemical groups from one enzyme to another, and some important vitamins are act as coenzyme, that is riboflavin, thiamine and folic acid. This is the cofactor or coenzyme that is loosely bind. Okay, you can see in second diagram that cofactor is loosely attached with the enzyme. That is why it is known as coenzyme, because when cofactor loosely bind with the enzyme, that is known as coenzyme. Next is several enzymes can work together in a specific order, creating metabolic pathways. And in metabolic pathway, one enzyme takes the product of another enzyme as a substrate. After the reaction, the product is passed on to the next. क्या है कि एक metabolic pathways create करते जाते हैं. अब एक enzyme ने जो प्रोडक्ट बनाई है, ठीक है, वो प्रोडक्ट किसी दूसरे एंजाइम के लिए एज अ रिएक्टेंट, एज अ सबस्ट्रेट काम करेगी, ठीक है। अब वो उस सेकंड की जो प्रोडक्ट आई है वो किसी थर्ड एंजाइम के लिए एज अ सबस्ट्रेट काम करेगी। सो ये एक मेटाबॉलिक पाथवे है जो कि पास ऑन होता जाता है। सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एंजाइम्स and the introduction of enzymes. So today's diaries learn the topic introduction of enzymes plus characteristics of enzymes. Thank you.